morning, good ones. How are you? Okay, thanks very much for being very punctual like that. The whole of this week, we shall be learning from outside. Are you already there? Thank you very much. Okay, did you do the exercise? Good. So, get ready and we mark. Okay, we are supposed to use the correct form of the adjectives given in brackets. Are we ready? Okay. Our house is better than yours. We had good and it changed to better. Naloga has the worst handwriting in our class. We had bad in brackets and has changed to worst. Of the three girls, Joan got the least number of cows. In brackets, we had few. So it is changing to least. A kraal is better than a sty. We had good. Number 5, in Mr. Pondo's farm, goats are cheaper than sheep. In brackets, we had cheap. Number 6, Mr. Msoke's farm is better than Okello's. Then lastly, he has the least number of pigs on his farm in our village. And in brackets, we had less. Thank you very much for doing the work. Please mark. Yes, remember we are still on adjectives, and yesterday we looked at adjectives that change their words completely. Do you remember any of them? We had words like good, which changes to better as comparative, and then best as superlative. We had words like few, less, least. We had words like, which other word can you remember? Good, better, best. Okay, those words were changing completely. And today, I want us to look at words that double their letters before adding ER on comparative and EST on superlative. They are the words that we have always used, but I want us to look at these ones that double their letters, okay? Very good. With the help of our chart, here they are. And before that, let's share the success criteria. Okay, let's read with teacher. I can identify adjectives that double their letters before ER in comparative, degree, and EST in superlative. Okay, like I promised you before, I said we shall use our chart and look at these words. For example, positive, side A, comparative, side B, and superlative, side C. By the way, before I show you the chart, do you know any of those adjectives that double their letters? We looked at some of them in the previous lessons. For example, big, small. Good. Let's look at them. We have big, and remember we said they add ER on comparative. So it is bigger. Let's spell the word bigger together. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. The word is bigger. Then biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner. I want you to be very careful. They have double letters in between. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Are we together? Then I have this question here. Can you construct good sentences using the above adjectives? For instance, I can say, my ball is big. And I can say, Rita's ball is bigger than mine. And I can also say, Favor's ball is the biggest of all. So please, you can also share with your colleagues. Use the above adjectives and construct very good sentences. And after that, get ready for the exercise. Thank you for being good listeners. Okay, here is our exercise. Complete the table below. Big in comparative, dash in superlative, biggest. Then in positive we have dash, in comparative we have hotter, in superlative we have dash. Then in positive we have fat, comparative, fatter, superlative, dash. Positive dash, comparative dash, superlative, thinnest. Positive wet, comparative dash, superlative dash.